6 pilgrims died in Mauritius on Sunday when a fire broke out during a religious ritual to mark a Hindu festival, the police said. The blaze erupted when a wooden and bamboo cart displaying figurines of Hindu deities caught fire after coming into contact with exposed electrical wires. The tragedy occurred on Sunday, casting a shadow over the preparations for the Hindu festival of Mahashivratri. The victims were a part of a group participating in a religious ritual, journeying on foot towards the Grand Basin Lake, a site sacred to Mauritius Hindu community. The festival, scheduled for March 8, draws thousands from across the island nation. The tragedy has sparked a wave of mourning across Mauritius, uniting the community in grief. The police commissioner's announcement on national television detailed the casualties and the circumstances leading to the fire. In response, local authorities have initiated a thorough investigation to prevent such accidents in the future. The incident has also led to calls for improved safety measures during public and religious events, especially concerning electrical infrastructure. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar also expressed his grief over the tragic incident. Taking to X, he tweeted, "Saddened to hear about the unfortunate tragedy that occurred during the Mahashivratri celebrations in Mauritius. Our condolences to the bereaved families and the people of Mauritius at this difficult time." According to the calendar, Mahashivratri is celebrated in the month of Falgun. This year, Mahashivratri is on Friday, March 8. This year, many auspicious coincidences, that is, Shubh Yog, are going to happen on Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri falls in Shravan Nakshatra, and on this day, along with Sarvarth Siddhi Yog, Shiv Yog, Siddha Yog is also being formed. These auspicious coincidences are going to have a very good effect on some zodiac signs. The loss of lives in such tragic circumstances serves as a sombre reminder of the importance of safety in public and religious events. As the community in Mauritius comes together to mourn and heal, the incident underscores the need for vigilance and precautions to prevent similar tragedies.